We're talking today about washing your hair and how we recommend that you don't do it too often. So washing your hair every other day, every third or less if possible. The benefits to you are you're going to save money because you're not getting through your shampoo, your conditioner and your styling products too quickly. You're going to save on time because you're not needing to blow dry your hair every day. The main benefit is your colour. Your colour won't fade. It will last a lot longer because you're not washing it out too quickly. A lot of people do still wash their hair every day. The main reasons that I hear are they don't feel clean if they haven't washed their hair. So rinse your hair, just use water. Don't use shampoo and conditioner, just rinse your hair. You'll feel fresher. You still need to blow dry it, of course, but you're not shampooing out your colour. Out of habit, you're in the shower, your hair's got wet and you want to shampoo it. Wear a shower cap. Put your shower cap on, your hair won't get wet, you won't get tempted into shampooing it. Exercise. People want to exercise every day. So my recommendation is before you do your exercise to apply Eleven's Give Me Clean Hair Dry Shampoo. So this is an aerosol spray, it's £16. You spray it onto the roots like a deodorant spray. Spray it onto your roots, all over. So the job of a dry shampoo is to soak up any excess oils or grease. It works the same with sweat. So spray it all over before you do your exercise. Once you've finished, use your hairdryer to dry through the roots. That's going to encourage the dry shampoo to soak up all that sweat. It'll give a bit of volume to your style as well. And the last reason is that people wake up and their hair's sticking up all over the place. So you still use your shower cap. After you're out the shower, just spray, using water spray some of your hair down, or just damp it down, put some water on your hands, put that over your hair and brush it back into place or blow dry it back into place. So day one, you're going to shampoo your hair. After you've blow dried it, use your dry shampoo. I know it's not greasy or oily yet, you've just washed it as clean hair, but put this through, especially through the parting on day one, it will help your blow dry last longer. On day two, you're going to use your shower cap, you're not going to wash your hair at all, and as I mentioned earlier, you're going to use a water spray to spray down those bits that are sticking up and smooth them back down again. Day three, my top tip is to just shampoo your fringe. So the front area that we touch all the time that's got a bit oily, we want to wash that section. So using a hairband, just pin that bit out the way, put your shower cap further back and just shampoo your fringe. So just wash this bit using a small amount of product. That's nice and clean. When you're out of the shower, you can then blow dry that front section. That looks all fresh on day three, and day four you go back to shampooing as normal. So when you are washing your hair, our top tip to use is Redken Colour Extend Magnetics Shampoo, £16, and Redken Colour Extend Conditioner, £17.50. The reason that we recommend this product so highly is to look after your colour. So our hair has amino acids, which is the protein in our hair. This shampoo and conditioner contains amino acids and they're charged. They're called amino ions. They have a positive and negative charge like a magnet, hence the name, Colour Extend Magnetics. And what the amino ions do, they're attracted to your hair and they form a layer over the colour molecule to stop it from fading. So that's our recommendation. You can purchase these products off from our website, northlanehairco.co.uk, and follow our Instagram, North Lane Hair Beauty Brighton, for more top tips.